Hi there. So in the previous lecture, we had implemented the login functionality and successfully reached from login screen to main screen once we have logged in. So in this lecture, we will implement the logout functionality. So the way we will include this function is to have within our application logout button over here within our menu. So in order to do that, let's go to our project and open main activity first, right? And let's close out all the other files. So right click on main activity and click on close others. Now within our main activity, we had this options menu where our main menu underscore main XML file was getting inflated and displayed, and we had this settings option within that. So let's press command click on our menu underscore main, and here we have defined our settings option. So let's just rename it first to logout to action underscore logout, and title also we will change to logout, and let's extract the string resource to action underscore logout, right, like this. So our menu underscore main is changed. Let's go back to main activity. Now here in our options item selected, we will change the implementation from if else to switch case, because um, we will have a few more items within this menu. So we write switch item dot get item ID like this, and the option case r dot id dot action logout, right. We can remove this now, and this when we click on logout, we will call a new function which we can name on logout, and within this we will call our backend. So we can call on logout here, and in order to call the Firebase auth, we need a instance of that. Private Firebase auth, Firebase auth equals Firebase auth dot get instance, right. And in our on logout method, we will have Firebase auth dot sign out, and once we have signed out, we want to start another activity which will be the login activity. So start activity, login activity dot new intent, and context would be this, and we want the current activity, the main activity, to be finished, right. So yep, that is it. That's how we implement sign out functionality. So okay, so let's just stop it and run our application again. Okay, so once the build has succeeded and our app has launched again, we see that we have a logout button here instead of settings. So let's just click on it and we are back to login screen. Let's try to log in once again. test@test.com 123456. Click on login. Yep, so we are back to main screen, log out again, and we are back on login screen. So that's it. Our login and logout functionality is working fine now. In the next lecture, we will start with our sign up functionality and layout of that screen. So thank you for joining. See you in the next lecture.